It's a weather impact day because of numerous showers and thunderstorms. Ominous clouds behind me approaching the city of New Orleans. But here's the most important camera I can show you. This is the Causeway camera. I'm told they're going to close the causeway because of the thunderstorms. And you can see why. Not a good ride on the causeway right now with the heavy rain, lightning. WDSU first warning radar showing us that right now we have a lot of rain right over the heart of the lake. That cell looks like it's moving kind of to the east-southeast. We'll zoom in on it. And I do want to mention the fact we have the severe thunderstorm warning in effect for St. Tammany Parish. That's in effect until 5 o'clock. It also affects technically portions of Tangipahoa, but it looks like the majority of that rain is moving towards St. Tammany, and that's where the heaviest weather is going to be over the next 20 to 25 minutes. Here's a storm track for you, Slidell, just after 5 o'clock. That's when the rain's going to get heavier for you. I know there's a cell close to you, but this is what we're concerned about because this area of rain could contain some wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour. Hail been reported possibly, according to the Doppler radar, maybe quarter size. It's something that we have to consider. Now, here's this big area of rain that's right over the heart of the lake. This cell prompting a special weather statement by the National Weather Service could possibly see some water spouts. So obviously the causeway, that's why they're closing it. I imagine it's going to be rocky weather there for at least the next half hour. And now some of this rain, as we anticipated, making its way toward Orleans and Jefferson Parish. Areas of rain that have been close to Lafitte. This cell has really been almost stationary when you look at it over the last hour or so. So heavy rain, we've picked up over 2 inches of rain on some sections of the North Shore. And now we're starting to see the rain. There we are, Kenner, Bucktown, Metairie, just starting to see that rain. This area of rain moving to the southeast at about 20 to 30 miles per hour. So it looks like much of the metro going to start to see that rain in the next half hour. A rain-cooled 71 right now in Hammond. 85 in Slidell. Slidell, that temperature probably coming down for you here in the next half hour as the rain is going to be moving in. Officially at Louis Armstrong International Airport, our dew point actually down to 72. Winds becoming northerly, probably an outflow boundary from those cells that I showed you just to the north. In the tropics, we're quiet. Hurricane Center not expecting development over the next 7 days, so we won't waste any more time with that. As far as our local forecast goes, we still have a stationary front. Moving very, very little, but this front helping to trigger the rain for you. Yes, there is some cooler air. I saw a dew point close to 70 in Shreveport earlier today, but that front helping to produce the rain, and the computer model is getting a good handle on the way it's playing out right now. Here's the rain that I showed you close to Lafitte. Now we're starting to see the rain in the metro, obviously heavy rain in the North Shore. By about 9:30, looks like the showers and thunderstorms should be wrapping up, but between now and then, heavy rain a possibility, some gusty winds, obviously something to consider as well. Tomorrow morning, a few showers close to the coast, possibly because of a land breeze. Tomorrow's still going to be wet for us at the noon hour, picking up on some rain. We'll put the chance for rain officially at about 60%. So it's going to be on the wet side again tomorrow, and I still think on the wet side again Thursday. Afternoons are going to be wet for us all the way through the weekend, but I think it gets just a little bit drier for us by Friday and Saturday. We're watching the radar. Meteorologist Devin Lucy will be back with more at 5 o'clock.
All right.